Can a little pink tub transform my grimy stools and make cleaning a part of a healthy lifestyle? Let's find out as I put the pink stuff to the ultimate test. Hey everyone, I'm Lillian. Today I'm stepping outside my comfort zone and trying the pink stuff for the first time on a couple of dirty stools I rescued from the recycling curb on my way home from yoga one night. And as someone who cares deeply about wellness and holistic living, I truly believe that even the smallest task can have a big impact on our mental, physical, and social well-being. Join me as I share 7 tips on how embracing new challenges can boost confidence, sharpen the mind, and energize the body. Plus, let's find out if the pink stuff really lives up to its reputation. So I am super excited to try the pink stuff. As you can see, the container is still closed. I haven't opened it. I haven't used it before. I don't know what it smells like, feels like, nothing, but you know, I have my gloves on. Open this up. There's a little tab here that you just kind of pull open. Let's see if I can, there we go. Oh, that's all there was. It's definitely a paste. Oh look, it's like bubble gum. This is very interesting because it says it's soft in warm water and firm in cool water. So you know we're going to test that out. You see where I can't really squeeze it. Okay, let me get some hot water. Oh, look at that. We got the microfibers, and I guess this is what I'm going to I'm so excited. But you can see that they're pretty dingy. They're filthy. I tried to use an enzyme cleaner on this one just to see if I could get the dirt off. And you can see where there's a little bit of contrast between where I wiped and the other grime and dirt and God knows what else. But it didn't really come clean. If you look really close, it's not really that clean. And can I just show you this thing that I have for my stove? It's taken the finish right off. So you know what? Just put it in the garbage and really get this going. So far, I'm really loving it. Let me try that spot again. Yes! I don't know what to do with this. I'll be putting this under the sink. Shot some in my mouth. And bringing in the tools. Yep, it's working. Oof. See, close up is even worse. What's my screwdriver? What am I doing with it? Oh, here it is. This is almost as nasty as hair in the drain. Well, and you know that'll make you vomit. Ooh. See, you have to try something so you can learn, you know, experience. Ugh. Could you imagine if I didn't have the pink stuff and I was trying to do this? Oh, oh God. Well, that's why they threw them out. But they never heard of the pink stuff. But they were like, I'm not doing it. I'm not going to do it. The kids, I ain't doing it. The wife, I ain't doing it. I was going to say, put out. Yeah. It's so clean. Oh, ugh. What's that? Popped out. Okay. Ugh. Look at the pink stuff in the screwdriver. I had to get involved in the underneath, didn't I? I had to. It looks nice now, though. We did it again. Still dirty. Not bad. Not like that crud we found around those cushions. Oh Lord. I need the pink stuff. I ordered these from Amazon. They are, basic. There's 32 pieces in here. That was the smallest lot I could find, honestly. There was like 150, 250. What am I going to do with those? Okay, a little sticky on here. Ooh, my fingers are stuck. I don't even know if we need these, to be honest with you. What if I just clean these up? But I gotta tell you, I feel a little bit more confident using the pink stuff because now I know it's gonna make my job a lot easier. I am so happy that I stepped out of my comfort zone and tried something new. Even driving home that dark night from yoga, seeing these stools and driving around the neighborhood, coming back to pick them up, throwing them in the back seat of my car, not knowing what to expect, was something new for me. And I am so glad that I did it. I love the pink stuff. I think it's fantastic, and it is definitely earned a spot in my toolbox. I'm gonna have to go around now and just start cleaning stuff, I guess. So what do you think? What's your next challenge gonna be? Make sure you leave comments below because I would love to cheer you on. If you enjoyed my wellness journey, my cleaning journey, please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new wellness videos, tips, and tutorials every week. In the description box, I left the links to the pink stuff, the felt pads, and even the rubber gloves, so you can check them out for yourself. Tackling these grimy stools wasn't just about cleaning. It was about proving to myself that trying something new can be rewarding in more ways than one.